In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about local SEO. From understanding how search engines rank local businesses to developing a local SEO strategy. Optimizing your website for local search and measuring success. Introduction. Local SEO is important for small businesses because it increases their visibility in local search results, increasing the likelihood that potential customers will visit their website or physical store. Understanding local SEO. Search engines use a complex algorithm to determine which businesses to display in local search results, based on factors such as relevance, distance, and prominence. Conducting keyword research for local SEO. Conducting keyword research helps businesses identify the terms and phrases that potential customers are using to search for businesses in their area, allowing them to optimize their website content and metadata accordingly. Creating a local SEO strategy. A comprehensive local SEO strategy includes developing a local content strategy, building citations and NAP consistency, creating local backlinks, and optimizing Google My Business. On-page optimization for local SEO. On-page optimization involves optimizing website content and metadata, creating a local-friendly website structure, and using local schema markup to provide search engines with additional information about the business. Off-page optimization for local SEO. Off-page optimization involves building local citations and links, and utilizing social media to improve visibility in local search results. Tracking and measuring local SEO success. Tracking metrics such as website traffic, keyword rankings, and online reviews allows businesses to measure the success of their local SEO strategy and make adjustments as needed. Conclusion. Mastering local SEO can help small businesses attract and retain local customers, increasing their online visibility and ultimately driving more sales.